Every dataset has a story, and Microsoft Excel helps you discover and share it. With Excel, you can build spreadsheets to organize your data, use functions to run calculations, automate tasks, and
In Excel, create a new blank workbook or use a template to help you organize your data. Open Excel. Select Blank Workbook. Start typing and adding data. Want to use a template? Select New. Choose one of the templates or search for what you want. In Excel, create a new blank workbook or use a template to help you organize your data. Open Excel. Select. Need to do some quick subtraction? Excel can help. Select a cell. Type an equal sign. Type a number or select a cell. Type minus. Now type a number or select another cell. Press Enter. Need to do some quick subtraction? Excel can help. Select a cell. Type an equal sign. Type a number or select a cell. Type minus. Now type a number or select another cell. Press Enter. Save time and use Excel to do some quick multiplication. Select a cell. Type an equal sign. Type a number or select a cell. Type an asterisk. Type a number or select another cell. Press Enter. When you need some quick division, use Excel. Select a cell. Type an equal sign. Type a number or select a cell. Type a forward slash. Type a number or select another cell. Press Enter. Add a watermark to your worksheet in Excel. Select Insert, Text, Header and Footer. Select the header in the worksheet. In the Header and Footer tab, select Picture. Select one of the options to insert your image. Ampersand picture will appear in the header. Select anywhere outside the header to see the watermark. To format the picture, select Ampersand Picture. Select Header and Footer, Format Picture. Change the size, crop the picture, or change the color and select OK. Merge cells in Excel to create a centered header across a range or table. Select the cells you want to merge. Select Merge and Center. Need to unmerge cells? Select the down arrow next to Merge and Center. Then select Unmerge Cells. Great job!
In Excel, insert or delete rows and columns to better organize your worksheet. To insert, select a cell. Select Home Insert. Choose Insert Sheet Row or Insert Sheet Column. Need to delete a column or row? Select a cell in the column or row you want to delete. Select Home Delete and choose what you want to delete. Nice!
You and your colleagues can open and work on the same Excel workbook at the same time. Here's how. In the upper right, select Share. Then select Share from the list. Start typing the name of someone you want to share with. Select their name when it appears. Now type a message. Select Send. Your colleague's profile now appears in the upper right. Select their profile. And select Go to Location to see where they're in the workbook. Changes update immediately on any device.
Move or copy a worksheet in the same workbook to organize your workbook exactly how you want. Select and drag a worksheet tab where you want it. To copy a worksheet, press and hold Ctrl and drag the Worksheet tab where you want. Or right-click a Worksheet tab and select Move or Copy. Choose where you want the worksheet. If you want to copy the worksheet, select Create a Copy. Select OK. Hide or unhide columns or rows to show just the data that you want. Select one or more columns. Press and hold Ctrl to select columns that aren't adjacent. Right-click and select Hide. The double line between two columns indicates there are hidden columns. To unhide, select both adjacent columns. Right-click and select Unhide. Or just double-click the double line. Here's how to select cells, rows, and columns in Excel. Click on a cell to select it.
Insert or delete a worksheet in Excel to organize your workbook how you want. Select New Sheet at the bottom of the workbook. Or select Insert, Insert Sheet. Double-click the sheet name to quickly rename it. To place the sheet at the end of the order in the workbook, select Move or Copy, Move to End, then choose OK. You can also click and drag it to a new spot. To remove a sheet, right-click the Sheet tab and select Delete. Or select Delete, Delete Sheet to remove it.
Create and format a table in Excel to visually group and analyze data. Select a cell within your data. Select Home, Format as Table. Choose a style for your table. Check your cell range. Mark if your table has headers. Select OK. Now it's easy to filter your data or perform other analysis for the entire table. Sweet!
In Excel, create a chart to help visualize your data. Select Data for the chart. Select Insert, Recommended Charts. Descriptions help you choose the right chart. Select a chart. Select OK. Move and resize the chart how you want. Want to add a trend line? Select the chart. Under Chart Design, select Add Chart Element, Trend Line, and choose the option you want.
Change how cell data appears with available number formats like dates and percentages in Excel. Start by selecting the cells you want to format. Under Home, select a format from the drop-down menu. To see all available number formats, select the down arrow. From the Format Cells window, you can add percentage symbols, currencies, and zeros after the decimal. Want to change the date format? You can also right-click the selection and choose Format Cells from the menu. Select the date option you want, then choose OK to apply it.